Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a Revive Essential Oils haul. I placed this order, I am an affiliate with them, so my affiliate link will be down below. Disclaimer, this is all like holiday centered restock type of things, and I'm really excited. So everything is individually wrapped, so I think I got all the wrappers off of everything. First is a super greens powder. I'm really excited. I did not know they were coming out with this. I think it's a newer product, but no sugar added. This flavor is apple, no artificial sugar, sweetener, color flavors. It's soy-free, dairy-free, keto-friendly, vegan, non-GMO. So many good things, and I love a good greens powder. I actually was using one by a different brand that discontinued, and I was really sad, so I'm excited to have like another one. I'll try this maybe today and let you guys know how I like it. Next, oh my goodness, 'tis the season for holiday soaps. This is 8-ounce soap. They do come with pumps. I think this is not glass. It looks like glass, so it looks a lot nicer than any other plastic hand soap. They come with pumps, so I have 2 pumps, and we love refilling these just with Castle soap and adding like the Christmas morning oil too, so I will reuse these, even so it's plastic, but it will be reused. It's not a single use. Oh, and it smells so good. Cinnamon and sweet and spicy, clove, orange, nutmeg, allspice, Peru balsam, Siberian fir. Oh, it's so good. Next I got, I didn't know I ordered 2 of these. Maybe that was a mistake. 2 dish soaps. We can always use dish soap, but this is the Immunity Boost blend. Ooh, and I'll smell the Christmas morning soap too. I forgot about that. But this dish soap is super important. The things that we stopped using toxic products for are basically dishes, because we're eating off the dishes every day, laundry because we're wearing our clothes every day, and cleaning supplies. So I thought I got a cleaning concentrate, but maybe I didn't. But they also have a cleaning concentrate. Those daily important things like that are what we switched over to non-toxic, and this smells super good. Immunity Boost, I think, is their Thieves dupe. And then next I got a bunch of oils, and a lot of them are holiday oils, so I'm excited about that. First oil is Candy Cane Lane. So this one is a blend of peppermint, spearmint, and cinnamon. Super minty fresh Christmas wreath, and I will link all of these, and I'll try to put like prices and like more info on the sides. I just want this to be a pretty quick video. Okay, what is this one? Christmas Wreath is a blend of Scots pine, tangerine, eucalyptus, and clove. Holiday Heaven is a blend of orange, cinnamon, and black spruce. This might be their Christmas spirit. This one smells like Christmas spirit. I'm way off on this. This is just its own scent, Christmas morning, because they do have a Christmas morning oil too. But this has more oils. This is your Christmas spirit dupe. Oh, and it smells super good. Chris is going to be really excited. And the half of the price, at least. So much cheaper than Living. Next, I got Whipped Pumpkin, because we're still not over fall, and Thanksgiving is still coming, but we're excited for Christmas, but we still like pumpkin around here too. Oh, that's so good. I'm getting so much like vanilla and maybe Peru balsam. Oh, it has so many oils. This is very good. This is not your run-of-the-mill like pumpkin spice essential oil blend. This is Whipped Pumpkin. It's clove, Peru balsam, coffee. Yes, I got that too. Vanilla, sweet orange, ginger, cardamom, cassia, black pepper, star anise, demania, and something I've never heard of. Ooh, opopanax. That's new to me. I'm gonna look that up. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, I want to just like take a bath in that. And then lastly, I got Courage, which is the Valor dupe if you're a Young Living person, and that is right. I know that's right for sure, because I love Valor, and oh my goodness, missed it so much. Oh, it's so good. Oh my goodness, I don't even know if this is diluted, but we're gonna, oh Lord, this smells so good. This is my favorite Young Living essential oil blend. So it's black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, and that's why blue tansy is my favorite essential oil, frankincense, and geranium. So this is like, well, it's a Valor by Young Living, and they say it's like your courage in a bottle, or like your confidence in a bottle. This one's called Courage. So it kind of promotes that, just like, grounds you, and like you're ready to go. I like to wear this one as a perfume, but you can also diffuse, use it however you want. I love it though, and this smells exactly like Valor, so their dupe. And then this one smells just like Christmas spirit. This does not, but this smells really good too. It's just so many different oils. It's very multifaceted. Oh, it smells so good. So that is it. I will share these in my stories and like reels and stuff. I can't wait to try this. I'm actually gonna go try this right now. So let me know if you are excited about any of these. Let me know if you've tried any of them or have any other Revive recommendations for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this. My link to shop will be down below. Have a great day. Bye.